YouTube. So what you're looking at is the aftermath in the beginning of a header change. I'm gonna provide some directions for y'all. I ain't get y'all no video of this side, taking this side. This is the driver's side exhaust manifold and the mid pipe with the cat. As you can see, you got 2 heat shields. One of the heat shields is for the manifold, and then the other one covers the bolts for where the manifold bolts up to the mid pipe. And then also you have to remove the knock sensor, the the steering shaft, and also the starter. Probably don't need to exactly remove the starter, but it makes it so much easier for you to be able to do that. Okay. Then also what I did is I removed my air box, and then I also moved my coolant reservoir out of the way, and I was able to get most of the bolts from up top on the driver's side. Haven't started the passenger side yet, but it should be about the same process. But just look at this. This thing is very heavy too, matter of fact. This thing is very heavy, okay? Very heavy. And then look at that. Compared to the 6.4 and the Hellcat, that is a lot of restriction right there. So this is half the job right here, getting that side out. I'm gonna call it a day. This took about 2 hours right here getting this all out. So not very complicated. And just a couple of tips. Get you some deep well sockets. You're gonna need a 10mm, a 15mm, a 16mm deep well sockets. And then what I also recommend you doing, go to Harbor Freight Tool. Get this. It's a 14" long, 3/8 drive swivel head ratchet. It was $26, but I had a coupon, so I paid $21 for it. It made it a hell of a lot easier to get a lot of those bolts off. And then you're also gonna need some regular size 10mm sockets. I got this kind right here because you can get every type of sockets. There are 6-point bolts, most of them, but this will make your job a lot easier right here. All right. And again, so as you can see, I'm in my garage. I'm not in the shop with a lift. The car is probably about 16 inches off the ground. And